Hello, my name is Leslie Canales. This is a video for the entomology course with Professor Rupesh Karyat. And today I want to talk to you the about the insect apocalypse. Okay. Again, my name is Leslie Canales. So just to begin with, what is an insect apocalypse? This is a term that scientists use to refer to the steep decline of insect populations. And we're talking across the world and across many, many different species of insects. We're talking about butterflies, moths, bugs, and all these kinds of insects um, that are very, very helpful to us humans. For example, many of these insects serve as pollinators for many flowering plants, and these flowering plants provide fruits and vegetables for us that we eat. They also ensure that there is genetic diversity in these flowering plants. Insects, recycle. They take care of, dead organic matter, and they turn it and they recycle it so that it can be reused. They basically, help the soil become healthy so that plants can use all these nutrients. Insects, can are high in protein and they're very nutritious, and they are part of the food web that feeds many, many mammals, and herbivores and all these kinds of insectivores, right, that feed on insects. Without insects, the food web would be, collapsed. And without insects, we would have all these animal feces. And without insects, we would not have, the fruits and vegetables that we can enjoy today. And how did the insect apocalypse occur? The insect apocalypse occurred because of human activities, and we are talking about extensive use of pesticides, insecticides, um, and also, the global warming, the high emissions of carbon dioxide that are being released to the atmosphere. They're contributing to climate change and global warming, and all these rising temperatures are affecting insects. We are also seeing that many lights, artificial lights that are put at night, they can also hurt insects because they, affect their movement and all these things. But all these things that I have mentioned, carbon dioxide, pesticides, insecticides, and the use of fertilizers, and all these are main drivers that are causing the insect apocalypse. And additionally to this, we are also seeing that habitat loss and deforestation, cutting down these trees, are, removing these important plants and habitats for these insects, and we are seeing a steep decline in their populations. We have seen that the monarch butterfly has decreased, as well as the bees, but also many other different types of insects, grasshoppers, and all these bugs as well. And what can we do to reduce the impact of the uh, the insect apocalypse? Of course, we cannot stop it, we cannot reverse, but we can do our best so that we can slow it down and reduce the impact. Again, this impact is negative for us humans. Without insects, we would be devastated. And so what can I do as a student, taking this course? I can recycle so that I can help the environment and stop pollution. I can contact the government so that they can enact better policies to help, conservation efforts for insects. I can teach others and, create awareness in social media, in my family, and everyone around me. I can, plant native trees and plants so that all these insects can thrive. And all in all, I think that if we all work together, we can all really, really help to reduce the impact of the insect apocalypse. And if everyone gets together and starts recycling, if we start, stopping the use of pesticides and insecticides that are harming all these kinds of insects, if we recycle, help the environment, if we plant native trees such as like the milkweed that is shown here in the picture that can help monarch butterflies. If we all do these things, we can all help stop and reduce the insect apocalypse that we are experiencing today. Thank you so much for your time.